Welcome back to Trading Hour on CNBC TV18. Well, for now, the market is so very quiet, but the broader markets have picked up a bit of pace. So there's a 0.5% rally that we're seeing there. Plenty of stocks are hitting fresh highs, even in the broader market. So let's take a look at that. You have something like an Apollo Tyres that's hit a fresh high today. There's Jindal Stainless that is at a fresh 52-week high. There's something like, of course, from the larger names, there's the Axis Bank, Adani Enterprises sitting at fresh 52-week highs as well. But from the smaller guys, something like a GE Shipping, which has had a fabulous run this year. It's been one of the strongest stocks in the broader market. It's up 146% this year, and GE Shipping is now up almost about 1.5%. That's a new 52-week high. So the headline index may be flat today, but there are plenty of stocks that are scaling up. Let's wrap the show on that note, but we leave you with some market opinion, this time coming in from Sanjeev Prasad of Kotak Institutional Equities. Thanks so much for watching. In a bit, we'll continue with the coverage on the market. Stay tuned.
Market hasn't done much in 2022 also. So last 15 months, if you take, let's say, from September end of 2021, it's been pretty much in that 18,000 plus minus range only, barring a bigger correction in May and June. People are obviously very worried about high inflation and high interest rates and so on and so forth. So market is, as of now, in a consolidation phase. Valuations are rich. And the second thing which we have to figure out is, how long do the central banks, including the RBI, hold interest rates? So as of now, we're getting some comfort on the fact that inflation seems to have peaked in some countries, peaking in others. So hopefully, as far as the actual central banks are concerned, they are probably reaching terminal or peak rates as far as the current monetary cycle is concerned. Pharma, honestly, you have to look at it on a more bottom-up basis. They have their own challenges. Many of them, US generic pricing, clearly there is no pricing power. You can make some money as long as you have a new product launch for it and you have some exclusivity around it, but that's about it. So, the stocks which you like in the pharma sector are more the domestic-oriented stocks because, you are seeing decent amount of, growth over there. Most of the, at least the domestic part of the pharma company, that seems to be going at about 10-12%, which is actually quite decent. And that's probably the business which we are much more excited about currently.
Co-powered by